Alam mo ba kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit naaakit ang lalaki sa babae? Panoorin mo to.
A man isn't blinded by a woman's beauty as much as he's blinded by a woman's respect. Because the second a woman disrespects him, her beauty, in that moment, loses all meaning. Because a real man doesn't fall for appearances. He falls for the woman who understands him.
Alam mo ba kung bakit maraming lalaki ang naaakit sa babae? Hindi dahil sa maganda siya, kundi dahil sa respeto na binibigay niya para sa sarili niya. A man isn't blinded by a woman's beauty. He's blinded by the respect she shows him. Ang respeto, hindi lang siya abot sa salita. It's the way you treat him, the way you value him, and the way you make him feel like he matters. Once na maramdaman niya yun, hindi ka lang niya mamahalin. Gusto kong tandaan mo to. Magiging mahalaga ka at importante ka sa buhay niya habang buhay.